So a lot of the art in our book Quirky Bird is made by using your fingerprints. So they did this art and then they blew it up really big so that the pictures are bigger. But I thought it'd be fun to create some fingerprint art. So I just grabbed some paper. You can grab whatever color you want. I found these really cool ink pads at the craft store a while back, but you can also do this activity with paint. Watercolor paint's really nice to do fingerprints because it wipes up really easily. You can use acrylic paint if you've got it. If you're worried about it wiping off really easily, you can put like a little drop of soap into your paint, and it makes cleanup a lot easier. Or you can use just like a washable marker. The only thing about using the washable marker is that your kids might have some colored fingers for a while, but we're not really going anywhere, so it's not a huge deal. This activity is going to use our creative expression, our fine motor skills, and maybe some color recognition skills and some shape recognition. But yeah, just thought we'd have some fun. So they just used their fingerprints to create the art. So you could do pretty much anything you want. We've got some ink, and then you just make your fingerprints. And we could do like little tiny birds, and then you can take something like a pen or a marker and give your bird some feet, or some other features, you know, like some wings, or like a face. It's really like up to you what your birds look like. Like that. You could add little features to your birds, something like that. This one needs some wings, maybe. Right? Little bluebirds, or whatever you guys come up with. A lot of the art too is different items like feathers or other paper. So you could really take pretty much anything you want and kind of make some abstract art with it. Use some other types of paper, different markers or pens or crayon. You can get really creative with this art. Feel free to share your art with me. You can always send me a message or leave it in the comments. And I'll see you in the next book. Bye.